Hello everyone, my dear guys, I am BS Squad. Today I am going to teaching about the tense and their forms of the tense. Tense. There are three kinds of tense, you know already: present tense, past tense. There are, each form is the four parts of the tense: indefinite, continuous, perfect, perfect, continuous. I am going to writing 12 sentence. I go. Indefinite, continuous, perfect, perfect, continuous. I go, I am going, okay. This is the simple sentence. I go, I am going, I have gone, I have been going. If you want change in interrogative, please, this is the simple sentence. Simple interrogative. You always put is do in the I or you, and this helping verb come in the front of the sentence. Do I go? Do I go? I am going. Am I going? I have gone. I have been going. Have I been going? Indefinite, continuous, perfect, perfect, continuous. I go, I am going, I have gone, I have been going. Do I go? Am I going? Have I gone? Have I have been going? Now we come past. Short form I am writing indefinite, continuous, perfect, perfect, continuous. Simple way. I went, I went, I was going, I had gone, I had been going. Now we are going to interrogate. I went, did I go, was I going, had I gone, had I had been going, had I had been going, had I been going. Did I go? Was I going? Had I gone? Okay, understood all of you? I went, I was going, I had gone, I had been going. Did I go? Was I going? Had I gone? had I been going. Now you come future. Tense. Indefinite, continuous, perfect, continuous. You always use in the future tense will and shall. Now this time I think shall is going to finish. You have to use totally will. But shall is used in the first and second person, and will is used he and she. Suppose you are going to press compel, so you may be changed. I will go. He shall go. But now the time shall is used very few people. It is going to finish. So that's it. You have to use totally will. I will go. Going. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will go. I will be going. I will have gone. I will have been going. Now we are going to interrogative. How to do interrogative? You always put front of the will helping verb, will helping verb. It is there is no any problem for you because there is no any helping verb. Little bit problem. You always put do. And for third person you put does, but here is no any helping verb. In the middle you put always did all the person. You put always did in the middle of the this indefinite sentence, and you change the second form in the first form. Okay. I am going to changing in the interrogative. Please. I will go. Will I go? I will be going. I will have gone. I will have been going. Going. Question mark, question mark. This is the way I have taught totally 3 sentences, 4 kinds you have to read, and you have to practice in your notebook, please, every day. You should be write about I write. You make the top of sentence, and you have to change in interrogative, and you have to change in negative. This is a very important chapter for all of you. You don't need to translate in Hindi. You already understand everything. You already understand everything. Please, I am going to revision from starting. Indefinite, I go. Continuous, I am going. I have gone. I have been going. Interrogative. Do I go? Am I going? Have I gone? Have I been going? I went. Did I go? I was going. Was I going? I had gone. Had I gone? I had been going. Had I have been going. Future. I will go. Will I go? I will be going. Will I be going? I will have gone. Will I have gone? Question mark. I will have been going. Will I have been going? So ये 12 sentence you should be learned by heart. Practically, if you want to speak with anybody, you don't use this everything. Present, what is present? What is indefinite continuous? No. Tense is the tension. Tense is the tension. Please, but you have to learn completely each sentence, each sentence is interrogative, and also now you can speak interrogative. It doesn't matter. Do I go? I don't go. Do I go? I don't go. I am going, I am not going. Have I gone? Have I not going? Have I have been? Have I not been? I have been not going. I have not gone. I am not going. In future, I was going. I was going. I was. I did not go. Look here, all of you. I did not go. Did you not go? I was not going. I had not gone. I had not been going. I will not go. Will I be going? I will not go. I will be not going. I will have not gone. I will have been not going. This is the very simple method. You know very well. Please, I request you to all of you, if you wanted to talk 10 cents, but when you are going speaking with anybody, you automatically talk yourself how to use this everything. You don't copy like this indefinite, continuous, perfect, continuous. Speaking is you are going very easy, but this rule is very important. Please, you have to write home task also. I write. You make the 12th sentence. You make the 12th sentence, and you have to change in interrogative and negative. You should come to here. I am talking to something in also Hindi. मैं जाता हूँ. मैं जाता हूँ. सपोज आप ये बोलना चाहते हैं कि मैं जाता तो हूँ. सपोज आप ये बोलना मैं जाता तो हूँ. अब तो की इंग्लिश क्या होता है? I do go. क्या होता है? I do go. This is the very important chapter. He goes. He goes. वह जाता है. वह जाता तो है. He does go. This will be advanced course. This is the basic course. Totally basic course. But when you are talking with anybody, we don't use like this sentence. You understand? We don't use like this sentence. We totally talking little bit different. But you are the basic learning. This is very important whole chapter. 12th sentence you must be know very well. And then after you should be 10. Do not, don't. Do not, don't. Does not, doesn't. Is not, isn't. Was not, wasn't. Are not, aren't. This is the short form. When you want to speak with anybody, you always use short form. Then you can be, your speak is very good. Otherwise, as first time you pick very full form. You don't talk like this. Okay, I am going. I am not going. I ain't going. I ain't not going. I haven't go. I haven't go. Have not, haven't. Do not, don't. Does not, doesn't. Did not, who didn't. Today is the very important chapter. Please, you have to write your notebook and 12th sentence you must be write down. This is the home task you have to do. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye. We meet next time. Thank you. Welcome.